Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your account has not been charged in Roblox. Are you looking for a quick guide how to fix your account has not been charged issue? Stay tuned because this video is for you. We are in devforum.roblox.com and there is a completed post here. Your account has not been charged. GUI not closing. It has been solved. There has been a fix and it's in the change on the GitHub. So if you click on this, remove flag, as you can see here, this is pretty much it. You can browse the files. So if you're playing Roblox, you should know this. And just look for this post. It's closed, but the solution is here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.